Everybody, welcome to my channel and congratulations on your purchase. This is the instruction video of Bulletini. You have just purchased the best turban of your life. You have ordered the turban with the bow. This is the way to dress the bow perfectly on your head. Purchase the turban without the bow, then actually you do not need to do anything except for the clip for the volume, and you can always use the undercap so that the turban will not be slippery. I hope you enjoyed watching these instruction videos. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us an email, and I wish you a lot of joy with your turban. Goodbye.